Okay, welcome to Inside Bemob. Here I'm going to show you how to set up your third-party tracker with the offer that you want to run from a CPA affiliate network. We're going to make sure all conversions are tracking inside our tracker, as well as passing those conversions off to the traffic source so that we can have all of our data working properly so that our traffic sources can optimize our traffic, okay? So here we go. First thing you're going to do, come into Bemob and click on affiliate networks, and you want to add your CPA affiliate network, okay? So click on new, and then you're going to be asked to put in a name right here and then click save. In this case, I've already done that and I've called it Vault Media, okay? So Vault Media is a CPA affiliate network. Hundreds of offers, tons of great ones. If you want to join, I'll show you the inside of it here in a second, and you can just go to powerhouseaffiliate.com and join that CPA affiliate network by being a premium member of Powerhouse Affiliate. Okay, so now first thing we want to do is we want to take this post back URL. Okay, this is very important. We want to take that and come into our CPA network. No matter what CPA network you are on, this is what you want. You want to grab this post back so that what happens every time a conversion happens, it's going to send it from the network into Bemob, okay? So to do that, come into your Vault Media account. Here's an example of what it looks like inside an account at Vault Media, okay? So there's hundreds of offers in here. If you come over on the left side, you can see we have several offers in here. The tracking platform we're using here is called Everflow. It's a very popular traffic tool or tracking tool for CPA affiliate networks. Hundreds of affiliate networks around the world are using Everflow for their tracking, okay? So this is going to work no matter what CPA network you're on, likely with Everflow, it's going to work, but at the same time, all of these same strategies work on Cake or Has Offers or any other of those big platforms that CPA networks use, okay? So here's all the offers. Now what you're going to do is you're going to come into Postbacks. Click on Postbacks, and what you want to do is you want to add a postback. Now this will be different depending on what network you're on, but for Everflow networks, it's always going to be the same, okay? Coming in here, click on you're going to leave that as active. You're going to select, you can either do an event or a conversion or a cost per click. In this case, we want to track the conversion postback level. There's global or specific. In this case, I like to fire my postback every time a conversion happens, no matter what offer it is. It's going to send it back to Bemob, okay? That is what a global one is. So it's going to fire every conversion. If you want to do specific, you can go down to the offer level and select which offer you want this postback to fire on. In this case, let's just go with global. And the delivery method in this case will be a postback. So we want to put in our postback URL, paste it there, and now we're going to change a couple things. Where it says replace for CID equals, we want to put this sub1 token here. So we're going to change that to sub1. And for the payout, I'll also usually put that and I'll delete the rest. So I'm going to go payout equals payout amount here. So you can just click on it, make sure it's right. And that's what it looks like. I'm going to add an S just for security reasons, HTTPS. And I'm going to click on add. Okay, so that is done. Every time a conversion happens now, I will get it inside Bemob. Now, it's important here to make sure you set up your offer link to send the sub ID over to the network, okay? So that's the next step. Let's come back into the network and let's choose an offer. In this case, I'm going to choose the lead submit offer that we have just set up. It is for powerhouseaffiliate.com. If you get people to sign up to powerhouseaffiliate.com for free, we will pay 75 cents globally for that lead, okay? So coming in here, you can see Powerhouse Affiliate Join Free is an offer here. So if I click on that as an affiliate, I can grab my affiliate link, okay? Tracking links right here, and here's my link. Now I copy that, bring it over to Bemob. Now I want to set up an offer. So coming into offers, click on offers and then click new offer. And now I want to call this Powerhouse Affiliate. Okay. Now we can select country. I'm just going to leave it as global. Now here's where it's important. For the URL, we're going to paste it here, but we want to make sure that we send the click ID over as the sub1 variable. So here we are. I'm going to go question mark sub1 equals, and then click ID. Okay, so now every time, I'm going to also change this to HTTPS. So every time now that somebody clicks on the offer through Bemob, it's going to send a click ID into the CPA affiliate network. Okay, now if that click ID converts, the network will now send back the conversion to Bemob, telling Bemob that that click ID converted. Okay, and that's going to be done through the postback that we already set up. So save this, and away we go. Now, if we want to create a campaign, now is where we're going to set up the campaign, and then we're going to put it into the traffic source and make sure that we set up the tracking as well to push the conversions into the traffic source. So let's create a new campaign. Now in this case, we're going to be doing a direct link campaign. So first I'm going to call it Powerhouse Affiliate. I'm going to leave everything here the same except for the traffic source. I'm going to select Bing Ads. Coming down here, what I want to do is a direct link. So in this case, I won't need the offer we just set up, but I'll show you how to do the direct link. So you select URL here, and again, we're going to grab this link from our CPA affiliate network. We'll put it in here the same way we set it up for the offer that we just set up, and we're going to do a question mark sub 1 equals, and we're going to select the click ID. So now just basically this campaign is going to use this link, and it's going to still send the click ID over to the network. Save that, and now that we have it set up, it's going to give us our campaign URL and other things that we can do as well with this this campaign. But really all we need now is this campaign URL. We're going to copy that, and now we're going to head on over to the traffic source. So here I am inside Bing, and we're going to set it up so that we can track conversions inside Bing, because Bing will actually auto-optimize our campaigns for us, okay? And I'm going to show you how that works. So what I'll do is I'll just create a campaign. We're going to create a direct link campaign. We're going to have the goal of getting conversions, so we're going to select conversions here, and we'll just call this Powerhouse Affiliate. We'll leave that at $20 a day. We can go Canada and United States, but again, this is a offer that could be promoted in many different countries, assuming the quality comes back good. We'll select just people in our target and English. Save and go to next step. Let's go Powerhouse Affiliate 2. It says it's already there, so let's just do that again. Enter the website URL. In this case, we are direct linking, so we need to put the final URL of the offer we're promoting. So I'll put powerhouseaffiliate.com. Now, if you were to actually be running this offer, you wouldn't be allowed to direct link. Let's just be clear there. If you're running it, you have to use a landing page. Ad group name, we'll just call it ad group 1. And we'll just say make money online for the keyword we want to target. Then we save and go to next step. Now we want to create an ad. Okay, I've gone ahead and filled out the ad here, so I put the final URL, the title part 1, part 2, just a little bit of ad text. Now I want to put my ad URL in here from Bemob, so I'm going to put that in the tracking template. And now I can simply test and see if it finds that. Landing page found. Okay, now I'm going to save and go to the next step. All right, so on the next page, it's asking me if I want to choose a bid strategy. This is why we want to send conversions back to Bing, because we want them to use the bid strategy. This is the same theory if we're doing Facebook, if we're doing Google. We want those platforms to see the conversions because they have algorithms that can show our ads to visitors that they think will convert. And they can only do that if they have conversions coming into their platform. So yes, we're going to choose enhanced CPC here, and there's other bid strategies you can do later once you start getting conversions. For example, you can do target CPA. So if you have an offer that pays you $10, you want to set your target, somewhere below $10, obviously, so that you make a profit. And we're going to save that. Campaign created, it's in review. So now the last step, we want to get the pixel from Bing and put it into the CPA affiliate network, okay? So to do that, we need to figure out where to get the pixel. Depending on what traffic source you're on, it's going to be different. In this case, Bing is a little more advanced than some of them. Google will just give you a pixel, and you can go into your CPA network and set up your pixel from your traffic source, again, the same way you set up your Bemob tracking. So in Bing's case, we need to create a goal and grab the EUT tag. So let's do that now. Over on the right-hand side of Bing, you're going to see a column over here, and you can click on Conversion Tracking. Here you will create your UET tag, and that is what you're going to put into your website. Okay, but in this case, we're going to put it into the CPA affiliate network because we don't have access to the website of the affiliate offer we're promoting. So what we'll do here is we'll create a conversion goal to track that page view. Okay, so here we are on the conversion goal page, and what I want to do is I want to set the pages per visit to greater than 0. We will also want to set the revenue value to 75 cents because that is what we're getting paid by the CPA network. Here we can select unique, make sure the count is unique. So for example, only 1 conversion per visitor, okay? That's to give you more accuracy on your conversion tracking. This is the UET tag that you just created. Select that from the drop down, and now it's going to give you the additional code you need to add into your postback to tell Bing again that this is a page view event. So you take this, you copy it, copy that, and now we want to add this to our UET tag tracking code so that we can make sure that this also fires inside the network. So to do that, come back in here. We're going to edit that from Bing, and we're going to add that right below the script here. And there we go. Now we're going to leave that, and again, we want to make sure HTTPS is in there. Now you'll click Save, and you'll also save it inside Bing over here. And now you are set up to do conversion tracking, okay? Everything should now be firing off every time a conversion happens. So when somebody clicks on your ad, they're going to be shown as a click inside Bemob. And then if a conversion happens, the network will tell Bemob that there was a conversion, and at the same time, the network will tell Bing that there was a conversion. So now Bing will be able to optimize your campaign. Again, this works on Facebook, this works on any other traffic source. It's just a matter of making sure you know which tracking tokens to use and how to set up the pixels.